Goochland branch of the Pamunkey Regional Library System. I have a take and make example for you today. It's one coming up in August, and it's going to be your own ocean themed puzzle. So in the kit, you'll have your own sheet to make your puzzle and a pack of crayons, and you can create your own design. Take it home. You can use markers or pencils or something else you have at home. This was my example. I did a fish. I tried to do something ocean themed to go along with our summer reading program theme. And that'll be August 2nd. So August 2nd, come by the Goochland Branch Library. It'll be while supplies last, and pick up your kit to make your own puzzle.